Hello, and this is MST Creator, and in this video I'll be showing you my new asset which I made. And this is kind of like a sequel of the previous video I did. Not really though, because that was using a GitHub repository that I made of its script. Now the main difference between this asset and that GitHub repository and script and everything is that in this one you have two example scenes, track 1 and track 2, which I'll get to later, and you also have a more stable version, like a version that's less buggy with the scripts, because I was going over my scripts before and I found a good amount of bugs. So if you guys want a stable version that works with the least amount of problems, you should get this asset rather than using those scripts. There is one problem, which is that this imports in the default unit render pipeline. So if you want to make this work with URP or HDRP, you might want to tinker with the project and everything of it. Now, the tracks that I talked about before, well, these are those tracks. The first folder is a very simple track, which is track 1, pretty small track, and here you also have a mini map. Basically, it just shows an arrow of your position at your position. You know, pretty simple, pretty basic mini map. So yeah, you start with the car falling down. You could move it down as well if you want. Then you have the mini map over here, and then you have the speedometer. Kind of looks bad, and that's what I'm working on for the next update of this asset. So yeah, as you can see, I'm drifting, and yeah, the speedometer obviously shows your speed and the gear you're on. So yeah, pretty simple. This track is very simplistic. And now the second track is slightly more complicated, but not really. It's just a bigger track with a terrain, as you can see. It's terrain file. Basically, it's a mountainous area, and the track is in the middle, in the shape of an 8, apparently. So yeah, same thing. You run the game, and you see the same car, same speedometer. The only difference is that there's a terrain and everything. So yeah. Anyway, I hope this helps for the people who found bugs in the code and needed a bit more of a more fixed version of the script. So if you're one of those people, get this asset. The link will be in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.